Top three things this morning in my notebook. Number one, the South Korean KOSPI, or the stock market in South Korea. Number two, the United Kingdom, baby. And then finally, volume on the U.S. stock market side. So first on the KOSPI, Darius Dale put up a very good research note intraday yesterday just to outline the propensity and or probability, both, of the South Korean economy going into what we call the third quadrant. So again, that would be stagflationary, and again, that has huge ramifications on both the currency and the stock market, bond market, et cetera. But again, the South Korean KOSPI this morning is breaking down through its trend line of 1983. 1983, very important global equity line to watch there that just broke. Second point would be more of the same in terms of what we've been talking about on the follow-through of what a strong currency does for a country. Now, you've seen this across, obviously, centuries of time. Again, it's hard to remind Americans about this because you've had fleeting opportunities to strengthen the currency here. UK GDP growth up 3.1% year over year in the first quarter, and last I checked, they had the weather too. Friendly reminder, tomorrow you're going to get the U.S. GDP number, which will be maybe like a third to a half of that, which is really embarrassing. And again, we have the weak currency, they have the strong currency, strong purchasing power, stronger real economy. Volume, yesterday, nowhere to be found in the U.S. equity volume. We look at a composite of all this volume, and there was none. Obviously, the NASDAQ and the Russell were down on the day, but with the S&P up, you had basically volume was down 7% versus the one-month average and down 20% versus the three-month average. So again, we understand that volume obviously has been lower and lower across the years, but what we're really trying to analyze here is what the volume does on the up days. And the reality is that on the up days, there's less volume than on the down days. So those are your top three things.